In this project, I have used timers, counters, and other instructions to fully automate the system. We'll be counting the number of good parts, the number of bad parts. We'll be determining the weights by setting the upper and the lower limit. We'll be counting the number of cases produced, and we'll be calculating the percentage of the cases produced. This yellow indicator light will always come on when there's a fault in the system. The red indicator light will come on when a maintenance is required in the system or a device has run for a certain amount of time. The blue indicator light will come on to indicate that a new case has been produced. When the bottles, or up to 5 or 10 bottles, have been filled up in the case, the blue indicator light comes on to show that one case or a new case has been produced, and then the case production here increases by 1. Now I'm going to run the system. Now you notice that the yellow fault indicator light will go off because the fault in the system has been cleared. And then whenever a part is dropped, the good part indicator light or the good part will increase by 1. Then we're going to be observing the red and the blue indicator light. The red indicator light which indicates that this maintenance is required in the system, and then the blue indicator light will indicate a new case is produced in the system or a new case has been produced. Now we observe that the blue indicator light has come on, indicating that there's a new case in the system or a new case has successfully been produced. And now we observe that a red indicator light comes on, indicating that maintenance is required in the system. Now we are going to be testing the number of bad parts increase. We are going to make the number of bad parts increase by 1 by reducing the upper limit here. And we'll notice that bad part here is actually going to reject, which increases the number of bad parts in the system.